Welcome back, part 2 of the Honda Civic. Because I didn't get the correct line. It happens. It is what it is. Okay? So, Regneck ingenuity here. Don't recommend doing this, but I gotta get this job done. It'll work just fine. So you see that pinhole there. I'm gonna rough this up with some 80 grit sandpaper. Go both ways with it. Like that. Okay. Like I said, I don't recommend doing this, but it will work. Sanded that down. Get some brake clean. And we're gonna clean up the area where we're gonna put the JB Weld on. Okay, I'd say that's clean now. And it's all etched so that JB Weld can grab to it. So, JB Weld, original formula. I think I'm gonna use my old pocket knife here. I got my putty sheet, should work just fine. Holds up to 5,020 PSI. I'd say that's enough. Instruction: clean, repair area for dirt, grease, oil, paint, whatever. We did that. Squeeze equal parts of each tube on the surface, okay? And then it says mix thoroughly. Apply an even coat to shape as needed. So, even. I'm gonna apply it with my knife here. I'm gonna put a decent amount because I want to make sure I got enough. I'd rather have enough than not enough. That's my thought on some things. Okay, that looks pretty even. Jeepers. We're gonna put the cap on. All right. Now we'll stir this up. It says, clean this too. I think this was my great grandpa's. So when I'm done using it, I'm gonna clean it. It says sets in 4 to 6 hours, cures in 15 to 24 hours. That's too long. Cripes. Mix this up. Let's turn into a gray. Now, I wonder if I add a little more hardener, it might set up faster. Another thing probably shouldn't do, but I'm doing it. Okay, here we go. Too much, of course. Alexa, turn it down. Better turn my radio down so YouTube don't get mad at me. Trying to make it look nice. Okay, I think that's gonna hold. Oh yeah, that'll hold. Now, gotta clean this off. Tear away. These are so much nicer. No mess. Okay, I'm gonna go throw this away. Nice clean again, bingo. Now I wonder if this will set up faster if I apply some heat. We'll try that. Let it sit for a while. Now, back to this. Refrigerant here. Good thing is, I'm not gonna have to charge him for $110 or $120 part. Just charge him for whatever my JB Weld cost me in 10 minutes. That is a lot cheaper. Now, get this condenser out. Hopefully this is the right part. If not, I'm gonna retire. And I think it is. Probably getting you dizzy here. Let me set you down on the ground. So, this is correct. And I think I just realized we got the top hose instead of the bottom, which I said I needed the bottom. By the connections anyway. So, rubber pieces. We didn't get anything. So I'm gonna have to get another bolt too. Let's see if I got one. There might be a part 3 to this. I'm guessing there's gonna be a part 3 to this. So this was like this. Yep. So this one goes here. Stripes can't even see me. Back up here. So it looks like these rubber pieces go here. I think I'm gonna have to straighten out some of that down there where this condenser sits in. So I'm gonna have to get the old hammer out. There's the other rubber piece. So this is bent. That piece down there is bent. I'm gonna try hitting it, straighten it out. Hopefully I don't hit it so hard that I knock you down here. If I can get you in here. Yeah, that didn't take much. That'll do. That'll do, pig. That'll work. So now, you gotta try finding one of these babies. Look in my handy dandy part stuff here. Probably not gonna have one, by my guess. Nope. A lot of people have drunk drawers. I have a box full of bolts because I don't like dirty drawers. Nope. I think that's gonna work. Let's go check. That was fast if it worked. Usually I don't find things that fast. So, put you right here. Stay. This should screw in like that. And this should screw in like that. I got some luck today, obviously. Had enough bad luck. So once that sets up, we'll be able to install this. So I gotta let it set up for a little while longer, and then we'll do part 3. So like and subscribe.